Today, we're going to walk through the complete setup the RCPORT-PLC300. Connect the PLC300A to your PC, and the PLC300B to your PLC. And turn the power on of the PLC300A connected to your PC. The boot LED will flash as the system starts up. Device network configuration takes about 1 minute, please wait briefly. Now, flip the power switch on the PLC300B to on. Likewise, the boot LED will flash, indicating startup. Once booting is complete, the boot LED turns off, and the status LED will flash as shown here. Press and hold the tagging button for 2 seconds to activate tag mode. The LED changes, confirming the switch to tag mode. Attach the tag spots on the back of the units. When you hear the buzzer sound, separate the devices. The tagged devices will begin connecting to each other. The status LED will display as shown, indicating a successful connection. Next, connect the PLC300B to your PLC. On your PC, run the PLC300 Manager program, which can be downloaded from the CHIPSEN official website. Verify that the device names displayed in the program are correct. Note that the device names displayed in the program may vary depending on the PLC model. Confirm that the connected PLC is in the active state before use. You can check the currently connected devices through the Manager program. And just like that, data transmission is complete. To enable multi-communication, simply power on the additionally purchased PLC300B unit and repeat the same process. Don't worry, the existing connection between PLC300A and the first PLC300B will remain active. Thank you for watching.